Good morning and welcome to kindergarten. My name is Miss Sutton and I'm so excited to be your teacher this year. Both my students and their parents ask me all of the time, why did you become a teacher? The answer to this question is very simple. Becoming a teacher answers my purpose in life. My purpose is to see others' potential and acknowledge their accomplishments, no matter how small, by using my talents of sensitivity and knowing of each life serving a purpose while giving back to the world and honoring my values of loyalty and acceptance. I know that's a ton of big words you may not understand yet. Basically, it means that my purpose in this classroom is to teach you and see how much you can learn and do. I'm excited to see how much each one of you will learn and be able to tell each of your parents through the year how well each of you is doing. Along with being asked why I became a teacher, I guess that's how I became one. Well, a long time ago I started out just like you, a young kindergartner with big dreams of who I was to one day become. Once I became an adult, I didn't automatically become a teacher either. There were lots of steps I had to take first. I started out as a teacher's aide like Mr. Stapleton. That was lots of fun. I loved helping kids like you all while still going to school. Also, when I was in school, I had this homework assignment to interview someone. I interviewed another teacher's aide, Mrs. Burgos. She told me patience was key. That has really stuck with me throughout the years. Another thing she taught me was that all kids are different, and you have to always remember to get to know each one for who they are, and they all learn in different ways and at different speeds. I know a lot of you are thinking, wait, so to teach in school, you have to go to school. The answer is yeah. I had to go to school after becoming an adult to become a teacher. It was a really large school called college, where you can learn things about really specialized fields. I attended 2 colleges before I could become your teacher. I graduated from a community school called Valencia with an associate's degree in 2020. In 2022, I graduated from University of Central Florida with my bachelor's in elementary education and my Florida teaching certificate, which gave me the ability to teach you guys here today. While college isn't cheap, it's definitely worth it, and with the help of Pell Grants and government funds and my Valencia advisors, I'm able to stand before you as your teacher this year. As kindergartners, many of you wonder what my job is as your teacher and what my job includes and asks me to do. I think being a teacher is fun. It takes a person who is organized, patient, flexible, and kind. I'm here to help you learn. We will be working on some fun projects throughout the year in all subjects. We will also be working on behavior, being kind to one another, and I'll be keeping your parents informed with how well you are doing in class. I cannot wait to see how each of you will learn and grow this year. Now, I've told you guys a little bit about me. I kind of wanted to get to know you. So I've told you guys what my purpose is here in the classroom this year, and I want to know what you guys think your purpose is at home and here in the classroom. So I just kind of want you guys to draw a little picture or write a little book or story, maybe with what you guys think your purpose is, and go from there and take into consideration what I said, and let's see what you guys have to say.